Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Treat for Foodies. In this video I'll show you how to make strawberry chocolate cup. For that we need half cup chopped strawberries, 200 ml whipped cream, 200 gram dark chocolate, disposable cups, 2-3 strawberries for garnishing. So let's start off with melting the chocolate in microwave for 60 seconds with 30-second interval. Now take a disposable cup and cut a slit on one side. Pour some chocolate in the cup and then rotate the cup so that the cup is coated evenly by chocolate. Make sure to drain out the excess chocolate and then keep the cup in freezer for 5 minutes. Meanwhile, let's beat the whipped cream with the help of electric blender. You can see the cream has got some volume. Now we will add chopped strawberries and blend it well. Take out the cup from freezer and carefully peel off the cup from where we have made a slit. Make sure the chocolate coating does not break. Now fill those cups with strawberry cream. For garnishing, cut the strawberry in slices and decorate the cup. As you can see, strawberry chocolate cup is ready to eat. Please like my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.